Good day, everybody. Today is, I believe, the 12th of April. Yep, 3:25 East Standard Time p.m. So last night, I put out on all my social media an important question for people. What are your challenges in algo trading? So I'm putting together yet another course. I'm hoping this will be a last one for a while. I just did one last week. So with this one, challenges of algo trading. I just put out a generic email a few weeks ago asking people what their challenges are, what are their favorite parts of algo trading. On YouTube, you could probably find countless number of videos showcasing benefits of algo trading and all the so-called bots out there and the benefits of them, commercial, free, whatever. A lot of people on my channel have come back and said that they want to build their own bots and they don't want to care about relying on the results of bots as a service. So from what I'm seeing, there are a lot of people, a good chunk of you, want to know about building bots. Bots, be it crypto, stock, forex, whatever, just making money. So in this case, I'm compiling a list of typical challenges you have when it comes to algo trading. If it's particular to strategy development, may it be the technical aspect of it? Would it be the idea generation of it? Would it be the lack of community? I'm looking for details. The more content I get, the more answers I can provide and put it out there as a course, because this is definitely something that people want to talk about, and a lot of people don't want to be part of a group for whatever reason. Fine, but if I'm able to compile content as a group or collected from a group of people and put it into one view as a course, I think people would be interested in that. So again, what are your challenges? What are you afraid of? It seems some of it's motivational, I don't know, or lack of motivation. Let me know. I'm very interested to hear what your specific, general, high-level challenges are. As I said, I'd like to put together a course on it and see what people think. Because I know what mine are, and I'll tell you mine right now. It's getting caught up in the smart money versus dumb money. I just did the webinar last night. I think 95% of us, especially when it comes to crypto, and probably all across all different asset classes, but specifically in crypto trading, you get caught up in the technical analysis, the order flow analysis, and that's the wrong place to be. You got to predict the moves of these coins, namely the big ones, and I've gone through full detail about my webinar last night. So that's the way to go. That's the future of what I'm doing. And to be honest, that's the last course I built out. And to be truthful, I'm not putting out in public those secrets. I did hint some of them last night, but there's a whole mix of them, a whole pile of them. People are missing them and ignoring them. I did, but they're so important. Just as an example, the latest drop in Bitcoin has nothing to do with what's going out there in the news or the economy. It has something to do with the providers. And people think that, just as a general, everyone thinks that Bitcoin is decentralized. That's a bunch of BS now. I'm not going to get into it. If you don't believe me, that's fine. But Bitcoin, the price is definitely controlled. And that is one of those news items, one of those challenges you may never hear about, but yet you'll still go out and swim with those sharks, get bitten, get eaten, and lose money. And it's those type of challenges that are unspoken that people don't know about. So who knows, I could put that into a course as well, but I'm looking for the popular ones. Let me know what you think. Just respond as a comment, or wherever you see this, on social media, YouTube, wherever. I'll pick it up and I may respond. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.